Hi, my name is Noah. I'm doing this video because you deserve to know the whole truth. Probably if you clicked here in this video, it's because you want to know more information about Unlock Your Spine, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Unlock Your Spine before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention and watch this video until the end so you don't regret your purchase afterwards. So, the first thing you need to know about the Unlock Your Spine program is to be careful with the site on which you buy it, as currently it can only be sold on its official website. And to make sure that you will have access to the original content updated and safely, I will leave the link of the official site in the description of this video. Maybe you don't know exactly what Unlock Your Spine is, or is even wondering if the Unlock Your Spine program works and is worth it for you. Unlock Your Spine is a program that helps users align their spine to relieve back pain and have more energy and rest. This program allows you to improve your body by following specific exercises for 10 minutes a day without invasive surgery, aggressive medication, or excessive time at a doctor's appointment. Anyone who has struggled with the torment of a stiff and aching spine understands the difficulty that comes with it. The sensation of this discomfort can be overwhelming, but a recent discovery may have made it possible to completely eliminate back pain. How does the Unlock Your Spine program work? Are the unique techniques that are not found anywhere else. The process takes about 10 minutes a day, and there is no need to put the body at risk with painkillers or exhaustive physiotherapy. Each movement you perform will be kind to your body, which is necessary when dealing with back pain. It is made to work best for beginners, but anyone with any spine alignment problem or back pain can perform the movements. So yes guys, this program really works and delivers what it promises. The program has detailed step-by-step instructions that are easy to follow. If you have faced these problems with back pain, or even problems with the spine, and have failed to treat them effectively, regardless of the treatment you tried, the drugs you used, or the supplements you tried, now you can rest easy. Unlock Your Spine program is the perfect solution for you. Another really important thing about this product that you need to know before you buy it, is that you can really test Unlock Your Spine for 60 days, and if you do not see results, if you do not like it, we'll return your money. With everything I've come to inform you here in this video, I hope you also achieve your expected goal, as well as thousands of people are getting results with Unlock Your Spine and are completely satisfied. I believe that you will also have your good results following everything that was said here in this video. And to ensure that you will have access to the original content with all security and support, I will leave here in the description of this video the link of the official website, for you to buy without problem. And also ensure that you will receive various benefits such as free bonus and also a super discount. I really hope I helped you with this video. Thank you for watching until the end. If I helped you in any way, do not forget to leave your like here in this video.